Welcome student with a new topic, correlation and regression. It is the next part of the statistics. So what is the correlation and regression there? Correlation between two variables x and y denotes r x comma y and it is defined by r x comma y equal to COV of xy upon sigma x sigma y. So note here COV of x comma y means it is the coefficient of variation of xy and sigma x sigma y it is the standard deviation with respect to x and y. So by examples definitely we will see there what is that sigma x sigma y, what is COV xy means coefficient of variation of xy. But before to that you must note something. So note that r of xy equal to r of uv. Second, r of uv equal to COV means coefficient of variation of uv upon sigma u sigma v. Also note the coefficient of variation uv that is equal to 1 by n summation of ui vi minus u bar v bar. Also sigma u square equal to 1 by n summation of ui square minus u bar square and sigma v whole square equal to 1 by n summation of vi whole square minus v bar whole square. Don't forget here ui equal to xi minus a or ui equal to xi minus a upon h. Similarly, vi equal to yi minus b or vi equal to yi minus b upon h. If h is there, means interval is there. Also, you remember here regression, the regression lines. So there are two lines, that is the y on x and x on y. So the regression line y on x is y minus y bar equal to r sigma y by sigma x, x minus x bar equal to byx into x minus x bar. The regression line x on y, just interchange y by x, so I am getting here x minus x bar equal to r sigma x by sigma y into y minus y bar equal to b of xy into y minus y bar. So by these we can prove b of xy equal to r into sigma x by sigma y. Similarly, b of yx equal to r sigma y by sigma x. Also you note that the line of regression is ax plus by minus c equal to 0. It means that if suppose the line of regression is given ax plus by minus c equal to 0, then if a is greater than b, then it is a regression line x on y. If b is greater than a, then it is regression line y on x. So how we get that, I will explain, don't worry. Also variance of x means what? Sigma x whole square. You know the standard deviation whole square means square of the standard deviation is the variance. So variance of x means with respect to x, it is a standard deviation square of with respect to x. It is the variance of x equal to sigma x whole square and variance of y equal to sigma y whole square. Also you remember r equal to under root of b of xy into b of yx. Also you remember the sign of the two regression coefficient bxy and byx and the coefficient of correlation is same. If theta is the angle between two regression line, so definitely you remember this formula because maybe there example on this. So tan theta equal to 1 minus r square upon r into sigma x sigma y upon sigma x whole square plus sigma y whole square. Also you remember r equal to 0, then two regression lines are perpendicular to each other. So definitely if r equal to 0, so what I am getting, it is a infinity, means tan theta equal to infinity I am getting and theta equal to tan inverse infinity means pi by 2. So this means that angle between two regression lines is a 90. It means that two regression lines are perpendicular to each other. If r equal to plus minus 1, then two regression lines are coincide. That is also you remember. But here you remember the value of r is in between plus and minus 1. So I will explain here all things one by one. So r of xy equal to COV xy upon sigma x sigma y. Don't forget here what is the standard deviation. Standard deviation sigma equal to we know under root of summation of fi ui square upon summation of fi minus summation of fi ui upon summation of fi whole square. One thing you remember here, instead of u, what is u? U is nothing but x minus a. It means that you should know what is this value. Means when we consider our given values are x and f is their frequencies. So normally we are taking u. U is nothing but x minus a. Then we are taking fi ui. Then fi ui square, like that we are taking here. But you remember the similar problem, means same problem, one may solve by only x instead of u. Means what? For example, x, then f frequency, then what we require? fi xi square, like that. So in this case, what is the standard deviation instead of u? You just consider x, means under root of here summation of fi xi square upon summation of fi minus summation of fi ui, instead of ui now xi upon summation of fi whole square. One may use this formula. Also, one may use summation of fi equal to n, that is the total number, total 10, whatever the total number. So the same formula one may consider sigma equal to under root of summation fi xi square upon n minus summation of fi xi upon n whole square. And what is this one? It is x bar and it is nothing but 1 upon n. It is a summation of fi xi square and if supposed to be under root. And if we consider square of it, it is a 1 by n summation of fi xi square minus x bar square. It means that this is. So same formulas we considered here. So here whenever we are going to consider sigma u square, so one may consider here sigma x square, sigma y square, sigma v square. So whatever there, similar changes or respective changes I will do. So now here sigma u square, it is a 1 by n, maybe small n, capital N means total, summation of ui square, maybe fi there, f means frequency. If frequency is absent, it is 1 and it is just ui square minus u bar whole square. The same standard deviation formula I am using there. If frequency is absent or 1, so the same is what? 1 by n summation of xi square minus x bar square. If I want to write in u, so it is a sigma x with respect to x. If supposed to be there are more than one variable. So here more than one variable x, y, u, v we are going to consider, and that is why. So note that r of xy equal to r of uv. So that is why all calculation I can do with x and y. So here whatever there by x and y or uv you can do. But why I am taking here u and v? So by u it will be more correct, right? In the especially the arithmetic mean and standard deviation, it will be more correct. Now the regression lines, very important. That is the y on x. Remember there, y minus y bar, y on x equal to r sigma y by sigma x. So y on x is what? Y minus y bar equal to r y on x sigma y by sigma x into x minus x bar equal to y on x, that is why b of yx, x minus x bar. If we compare these two are equal, so this cancel. So I am getting r sigma y by sigma x equal to b of yx. So I am getting this one. Okay. So y on x is this one. Similarly, if we interchange x and y, we will get regression line x on y. So that is the x minus x bar equal to r sigma x by sigma y into y minus y bar, x on y. So x on y is x minus x bar, r x on y, so sigma x by sigma y, y minus y bar. equal to b into x on y. So bxy into y minus y bar. So how to find y bar? Y bar is the mean summation of yi divided by n, maybe small n or capital N. If we compare these things, so I am getting here b in xy equal to r sigma x sigma y, b yx equal to r sigma y sigma x. If we multiply both, so what we get? B xy into b yx equal to r into r, it will be r square. And you can observe, if we multiply these two, it cancels. So this will cancel with this one and this will cancel with this one if we multiply. So in this case, I am getting r square equal to that, and that is why I am getting r equal to under root of bxy into byx. Note that it is under root, and if it is a valid answer, it should be a positive. So whenever the product of this, it should be a positive, because we are taking under root of that, that is nothing but r. So that is why whatever the sign of bxy, same sign of byx. So by example, I will explain you why I am taking when a is greater than b, b is greater than a, then y on x, x on y. Because anyhow I want r should be in between -1 to 1. If suppose I am taking here the line y on x instead of that, so I will get the value of r is maybe less than -1 or greater than 1. So in this case, you have to interchange the lines. So you can remember this working rule to find the correlation coefficient of correlation. So first you write the formula, maybe in xy or uv, then find coefficient of variation of xy, or you may find the coefficient of variation of uv. So here 1 by n, so there are many formulas I already explained in the form of ui, vi or xy. So here this formula one may write in this format also. If frequency is there, this will be present there. Note that here coefficient of variation of xy equal to 1 by n, maybe small n, capital N, summation of fi, here should be xi, here should be yi. Similarly here x bar, y bar. Here 1 by n summation of ui, vi minus u bar, v bar. Why we are going to consider this one equal to in the form of uv? Because here we know with respect to xy is similar to with respect to uv. That is why. Also, you find x bar, y bar, u bar, v bar or related terms. So let's consider examples on the coefficient of correlation and regression lines. So first example here, find the coefficient of correlation for the data n equal to 25, summation of xi equal to 100, summation of yi equal to 125, summation of xi square equal to 250, summation of yi square equal to 500, and summation of xi yi equal to 522. So what we want to find, we should know all formulae related to coefficient of correlation and regression line. So solution. So what we want to find? We want to find coefficient of correlation. We have formula coefficient of correlation r of xy. So here all values given in the form of xy. So I will write r of xy equal to coefficient of variation of xy upon sigma x sigma y. So what is the coefficient of variation of xy? By the given value you decide the formula. So here n is small, so 1 by n, summation of xi yi, it is a given, minus x bar y bar, where what is x bar? X bar equal to mean value of xi, it is a summation of xi upon n, y bar equal to summation of yi upon n. Also, what is the sigma x square? It is a 1 by n, summation of, by the given values you decide the formula, xi square minus x bar square. Also sigma y square equal to 1 by n, summation of yi square minus y bar whole square. So one by one you find the value. So one by one you find. So first I will find x bar. What is that? Summation of xi. So given value summation of xi is 100 divided by n 25. So x bar equal to 4. What about y bar? Summation of yi. That is nothing but given value. Here the given values. These are the given values. So summation of yi, it is a 125 upon n is 25. So that is equal to 5. So I can find coefficient of variation of xy. By formula it is a 1 by 25, 1 by n means summation of xi by I. What is the given value? 522 minus x bar y bar. X bar y bar. By calculator find this value. I am getting here 0.88. Now sigma x square. It is equal to 1 by n summation of xi square means 250 by n. It is a 25 minus x bar square means 4 square. So by calculator I am getting it's a minus 6 and sigma y square, that is equal to summation of yi square upon n means 500 divided by n means 25 minus y bar, it's a 5 square. So what is it? It is a 500 divided by 25 minus, so I am getting it is a minus. Note that here if we are taking directly square root, it is supposed to be under root of minus 6 and here under root of minus 5. So in the formula be careful about such values. So now what is the coefficient of correlation? It is equal to COV of xy means coefficient of variation of xy upon sigma x and sigma y product. So same thing I can write as, actually we know the standard deviation is nothing but the under root. So under root of sigma x square into sigma y square together, and here you put the value 0.88 upon under root of, it's a minus 6 and minus 5. So it will be 0.88 upon under root of 30. So by calculator find the value of r. So it is equal to 0.1606 means 0.16, which is your required coefficient of correlation. Consider the next example. Find the correlation coefficient between x and y given that n equal to 50, summation of xi minus 40 equal to 30, summation of yi minus 20 equal to 70, summation of xi minus 40 whole square equal to 170, summation of yi minus 20 whole square equal to 165, and summation of xi minus 40 into yi minus 20 equal to 140. So solution here, we know coefficient of correlation in the form of xy is rx comma y equal to coefficient of variation xy upon sigma x sigma y. But interesting part is here xi minus a, that is supposed to be a, that is u value given here. This is a v, this is a u square, this is a v square value given. So values are given in the form of u and v. So first you write the given values. So what are the given values? So here n equal to 50. You can decide this is value of a, this is value of b. So what is the value of a here? Means random mean, or you can say the working mean. So it is a 40 and b equal to 20. Also summation, so all values you write carefully. By the given value, summation of xi minus 40. So what is the meaning of this? Xi minus 40 means this is a summation of ui. So that value is 30. Also summation of yi minus 20. This is summation of vi. And this value is 70. Also summation of xi minus 40. So ui square. That is equal to 170. summation of yi minus 20 whole square means vi square, it is 165. Then summation of ui vi, that is equal to 140. So by this given value, I will write there again r of uv equal to coefficient of variation of uv upon sigma x sigma y. So what is the coefficient of variation? One by one we will find. You know the formula. It is a 1 by n summation of ui vi minus u bar v bar. So first you find the value of u bar. Since u bar, it is nothing but summation of ui upon n. So what is summation of ui here? It is 30 by n. It is the 50. So 3 by 5. So I am getting 0.6. What is the v bar? Summation of vi upon n. Summation of vi is 70 by 50. So what is this value? It is a 1.4. And that is why I can find coefficient of variation of uv equal to 1 by n. And summation of ui vi. Summation of ui vi is 140 divided by n. N means 50 minus u bar v bar. So 0.6 into 1.4. By calculator find this value. So I am getting 2.8 minus 0.84. You can write directly also. It is a 1.96. Now sigma x square or u square, it is equal to, what is the formula for that? So actually here make the changes. Here we are using x, u and v. So that is why corresponding u and v there. So sigma u square is what? 1 by n. 1 by n summation of ui square minus u bar square. So ui square. So by given values, what is the summation of ui square? 170 by 50 minus u bar. It is of 0.6 whole square. By calculator directly you find the value. So it is the 3.04. Now sigma v square, this is equal to 1 by I summation of vi square minus v bar square. So what is a vi square? Summation of vi square, it is 165 divided by n minus v bar, it is a 1.4 whole square. So I am getting the value by calculator again. It is a 1.34. And therefore, what is the sigma u? It is the under root of that. Means you take the under root of this, also under root of this. So I can find sigma u, sigma v. Or you can put directly there. So what is that? R of uv equal to coefficient of variation uv. So we have this value is 1.96 upon under root, because we need sigma u, it is a 3.04 into under root 1.34. So find this value. It is a 0.9711 means 97. So what is the value of R? Coefficient of correlation here 0.97, which is your required answer. So are you getting here? Sometimes we have to use the formula in the form of x and y, and sometimes u and v. It depends on the given value. If supposed to be tabular values given, then you can decide whether you have to use x, y or uv. That depends on you. In the next videos, we will consider the more examples on the correlation and regression of lines.